Yes, I'm still a pirate. And today we're going to remember the text we did last time. Yes, we might have some questions to see how good do we understand everything. Let's first read the text. There is a Halloween party and I am invited. It's at Samantha's house. She goes straight after school and I first stop by my house and change there. We sing songs, we play games, and we tell stories. We are lots of friends. Leo doesn't like scary costumes, so he is an astronaut. And Susan bakes cookies for the rest of us. Remember the text? I do remember the text. So we have now different questions showing up here, and we have to find the right answer. Okay, let's read the first question. Is there a party at Samantha's house? Yes, there is, or no, there's not. Come on, a few seconds to write down the answer on your paper. What is the right option? Is there a Halloween party at Samantha's house? Yes, there is, or no, there's not. Okay, so what do you think, guys? Super easy, right? Yes, there is. Yes, there is. There is a party at Samantha's house. Can you see it there in the text? Super easy. Okay. With the second question. Whoop! Here it is. At the party, they play online games. And the answers are yes, they do. No, they don't. At the party, they play online games. What do you think? You have the text here, so have a look. Is there anything like that? They play online games? Few seconds and write down the answer. Yes, they do. No, they don't. Look at the parrot! Okay! He just chose the answer. No, they don't. The text doesn't say anything about online games. Just normal games, okay? Great. Let's go for the third question. Does Leo like scary costumes? Does Leo like scary costumes? Options are yes, he does. And no, he doesn't. Okay. Look at the text and write the answer down. Look at the parrot again. Oh, the parrot is just taking, yes, the right answer. Leo doesn't like scary costumes. No, he doesn't. That is the right answer. That's why also he's an astronaut. And the last question. Does Susan bake cakes in the kitchen? Does Susan bake cakes in the kitchen? And what options do we have? Yes, she does, or yes, she is. Okay, the text doesn't say anything about a kitchen, but if she's baking, we give for sure that she cooks in the kitchen. But the answers are different. Yes, she is. Yes, she does. So which one is the right one? Look at the parrot! Again choosing. And he's choosing right. Yes, she does. And why? Because in the question we have does she. So if we see it in the question, it also has to be in the answer. Great! Well done.
Do you want to keep learning with us? Download our worksheets and keep practicing. We have a full method to learn all type of structures in English. Check the description below for more content.